Now that tonight's episode of Monday Night Raw is over, it's time to go to bed. Sparky, please don't wake me up to bark at the bats over our house again. Good night.
Andrew? Can you get up for a minute?
Yes, Mom. What is it?
Can you come to the front door with me? There's something I want you to look at. Look outside.
Oh crap. It's that damn Dick in my window again.
Oh wow. Look at the pretty doorbell. That is one of the prettiest and shiniest doorbells I've ever seen. I know what I must do.
Jeez Louise. That sick son of a bitch is licking our doorbell. Stop him, Mom. Damn, I hope his tongue sticks to that doorbell so I can get a picture of it and post it on Facebook.
Dic Logo, why are you licking our doorbell? Stop that this instant.
Sorry. Can't help it. It's so nice and shiny. It must be licked.
How many licks does it take to get to the Tootsie Roll center of a Ring doorbell?
Stop licking our doorbell now, before I rip your tongue out, twist it up, and then I take you and twist you up.
Alright. Fine. I will quit. I won't lick your precious doorbell anymore. But, don't expect any more favors from me. Capiche?
Way to go, Mom. You really showed him.
Yeah, I did. That was actually kind of creepy though. I mean, what kind of sick person would go around licking people's doorbells?
Better get some Clorox. We have a gross and messy doorbell to clean up.
Mission accomplished. Another shiny doorbell, successfully licked. That's my 23rd doorbell this week.
This is the police department in my anus. We've gotten several calls of a big dick going around licking people's doorbells. Stay right there, don't move, and no one gets hurt. You are under arrest.
Uh-oh. Time for me to run. I don't want to end up on live PD or in jail.